Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this tutorial will guide you through enabling voice chat on Roblox. With voice chat, you can talk to other players in Roblox games. Go to roblox.com, log into your account, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then go to settings. Go to account info section and go ahead and verify your phone number if you haven't verified yet. And after verifying your phone number and email address, click on done. Now go to privacy settings. Go to privacy and content restrictions. And on the menu that appears, you need to select the communication option that is below the screen time. And here you'll get 4 different options of experience chat, party, voice chat, and camera input. Go ahead, tap on voice chat. Now, make sure that you've enabled the microphone by toggling this switch over here. And now you can unmute yourself in the games and talk to other players. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.